Hey, welcome to another video, and this video is all about how you can make money online. And before I dive into it, so subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and click the bell, and you'll get notified every time I post a new video. So let's dive into it. So I've been working online since 2017. It hasn't been that long, but it has been helping me make money online. So, and if you are a newbie and you want to learn how to make money online, I will recommend a few that are newbie friendly affiliate marketing that will be easy for you to start making money. So today I'm going to talk about Joomla. Joomla is back, and Joomla is working with Cut right now, and it's actually great. You get to earn lead commissions and also earn passive income. So if you want to make money online, this is it. Start with Joomla. It's the easiest because you have to refer someone, and that when a person pays $1 for trial, you earn $4 for generating that lead. And that when that lead pay for Katra, you will earn 40% of that. How good is that? So let me take you in and let me show you what you will be doing in Joomla. So using my link, when I give you my link, you will land on this page, and when you land on this page, it will take you will come and put your email. You will sign in, you will sign up. Then the next pop-up, you will pay $1 for trial. After that, you will go to Katra and pay another $1. That's how you will generate leads. You will generate leads, then you earn $4. And when your leads who you generated or who you referred to Joomla, you pay $1. So when your leads, those who you referred to Joomla, pays $2 too for trial, you earn $2. So guys, this is Joomla is back. So let me show you what Joomla is on the inside. I'm going to log into my account and you will see it for yourself. So guys, Joomla actually has been a newbie friendly system that you can use to generate income. Previously we were generating, it was CPA, cost per action, where you refer people and they sign up with their emails and confirm their account. You earn $2 to $4. So the $2 was from tier 1 countries, $2 was from tier 2 countries like Africa in general. Then the $4 were from tier 1 countries, which is US, Canada, UK, Australia, Ireland, and New Zealand. Those are the companies who will earn you $4 for them just signing up with your email, with their emails. So for this one, you don't need to classify it from which country. It's just generalized. So everyone who goes through trial using your link, affiliate link, you earn commission. And when that link decide to join Katra using the link that they signed up with, you will earn $40, 40%, which is equals to $39.6, which is recurring every month. So Joomla has two digital business. They have a mega one. We have this earn and learn program. This is where you earn lead commissions. And for the mega, digital mega, this one you need to upgrade to be a mega, and you will earn extra money from it. Actually, you'll be earning recurring commission from it. But as a newbie and you want to start something before you commit, or you just want to learn something, you can start from here and go with Katra plan of $99 per month, and you'll be earning per lead $3 to $10 per lead, which is equivalent to, if you bring like 100 people, you'll be earning like let's say 600 to 1,000 USD for those 100 leads. And when those leads decided to upgrade, you will still earn the commissions. So let me show you, because I only just at starter at the moment. I'll be joining the premium business. So let me just walk you through the mega mega earn and learn program. So let me just sign into my account and you'll see it for yourself. I'll walk you through how you are supposed to set up your Joomla account, because you will need to request for your link. After you have completed paying and setting up all the 3 steps that Reno already showed us in our videos, in his videos. So this is what happened in the last Joomla that came to an end. They were working with Yahoo and GetResponse. We were selling digital products again. This one is also a digital product, but we don't need to subscribe for GetResponse, domain or website. You don't need to create any blogs. I'll show you what Katra is bringing in and what we'll get for the $99 per month from Katra, because Katra has all the digital tools that we need for online business. So if you need to get response, Katra has an email autoresponder. If you need to make a website, they have, or you can make it. You need to host your videos for training, you have them. If you have an online academy that you need to run and make money from it, they have even a checkout and you can make that and store your videos or training materials under Katra. And every time that person who joins your academy and pays, you get your money through their gateway, their PayPal, but it will come to you directly. It's not going to Katra. It comes to your PayPal account just as usual, like any other gateway. So this is what you will come when you join Joomla. After you pay the $1, you come and sign up, login, and you go through this. This is what John Michael was the leading affiliate, and he earned over $100,000. Then Moen earned over $5,000, and the rest, there were so many people. And for myself, I managed to make slightly over 1 million. That is Kenya shillings. It's equivalent to $10,000. Yes, that was how I got to earn that from Joomla and other things. I was doing other affiliate marketing. That's a different thing. So guys, so after you pay, you just log in and you'll come and click this start your earn and learn program now. So you click it and it will open in a new window, and from that window you'll have three steps that we should complete. The first step is to import your Joomla digital business in a box to your Katra. It's all in the video. This is a 9-minute video. Reno will show you everything. So before even you import that, you need to buy Katra. You will be using this trial. Just trial using this link. Don't use any other link. Use this link from Joomla. From there, you will get your affiliate link activated, but not immediately. After 12 to 24 hours, you will get your affiliate link activated. But first, you need to finish the three steps. These 3 steps, and you'll get activated. So you'll come to create your trial with Katra. It will take you to Katra. Then you'll pay $1 and choose the domain you want to use. Let's say you can use your username. You can use something unique. It's like you're creating you are creating your website. So you want to name it something that is easy for people to recall, not to forget it. Something like mine, it's komulong@katra.com. So you can just use your name to it that you love it. You can use something like zuri@katra.com, anything that you want. So you'll come and click this link and you'll pay $1 and you fill the details. So Reno will show you in this video. Just follow it until you complete the video. After you complete and you are done with that, you can read this. You can see this for CPA commission for you by new member you refer to Yunda. So for every person you refer to Yunda is a new member, you earn $4. And when this new member refers someone else, you earn $2. It's a 2-tier commission. So tier 1, tier 2. Tier 1 you earn $4. Tier 2 you earn $2. So after you have completed this, you can go through this and it will teach you about JV affiliate referral. So you've created your CATRA, you'll go to the next step. You go to earn and learn campaign. So this is how you're going to import your earn and learn campaign. So Yula already, after when you signed up with $1, Yula sent you an email with a code that will help you import your Yula digital in a box to your CATRA. So you'll come and follow this video, follow what Reno will show you, and then import your CATRA digital import your business box for Yula to CATRA. After you are done with that, come and reset the CATRA in step 3. So, and you will be complete. After you completed that, this is where you'll come and request your affiliate link from Yula, and you'll be on your way to making money online after that. The only thing you'll need to do is change a few things. Import the change your links in the autoresponder, because Yula will give you emails wipes that you'll be using to what can you say, to send to people you'll be signing up using your affiliate link. So they'll have a follow-up sequence. So you just change a few things like your name and add your affiliate link, and you're good to go. So it's actually Newbie. Everything has been done for you. Follow-up series, you have them. The funnel, you have them, and it's converting. We have 2 landing pages that you can speed test and choose that you love, or choose that is converting well for you, and use it to promote Yula. So after you're done, you come and watch this. You'll set up your links, how you can, so that you can be able to earn commissions. So before when you set up your link, you'll also, this video combines all that. So you come and request your affiliate link. Reno will show you how you're supposed to request it and wait for 12 to 24 hours, and you'll get an email telling you have been activated. After that, you come back again and complete the 3rd video and set up Yula. So guys, let me show you CATRA how it is. I'm just going to go through it shortly. I'm not taking a lot of time because I don't want to take more time. I've talked a lot. So this is my CATRA account. It's still opening. Let's wait. So this is my Yula business in a box that I imported from using the code that Reno sent to my inbox. So I imported to CATRA. As you can see, we are in CATRA. So these are the 2 business in a box: the Mega Learn and Earn, and then the Mega Premium, where you earn this one, free bills and whatever. So you earn $40, you can see. So this is where I am, Mega Starter, where you earn $4 for referring a new affiliate, and $2 from the referrals of your new affiliate. So let it open. As you can see, there are $2. This for JV affiliate, referral of your referrals, and $4. So you earn like that. So I'll walk you through CATRA in the next video. So thank you guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you want to join Yula, use the link down there. You'll find it in the description and comment box, and follow me. You'll find me on Facebook too, and I'll guide you. If you need a one-on-one guide, I'll be here. Just inbox me on Facebook and I'll reply back. So thank you guys. Peace out.